Okay, so we will talk about error 9 panel disconnection during run. So Toshiba VFD error code is error 9, ERR9. So it occurs when VFD is running on a command, okay, from operation panel keyboard or extension panel. The cable connection of the inverter and panel has been disconnected. Okay, so it is because of like your cable is disconnected in between, like maybe connector is loose, maybe wire is broken from between, okay, in between inverter and panel. Okay, so there there will be a extension keypad or your normal keypad. So you need to check that cable. If that cable is correct, it's okay. Otherwise, you need to like repair your VFD. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with a screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.